So, Vanakkam everyone. I'm Anubhav Dubey, co-founder of Chai Sutta Bar. We started in 2016 this brand. And this is the first outlet in Chennai because we are trying to penetrate in the south, and इससे अच्छी जगह आई थिंक कोई हो नहीं सकती because this is the cultural and the economic capital of south. So we are coming with this brand and we are about to serve you tea, which we are already serving in the 60 cities from last 5 years, and in Dubai and in Muscat, Oman. Probably we are the highest seller of Kullar tea in the entire world. Nobody sells more than us. We are selling around 3 lakh tea in a day. So this with the folding hands, we want your blessings, support and honest feedbacks. And in the opening today, we are inviting you to have free tea, chai and cold coffee in our outlet.
How many branches you have?
Sorry?
How many branches you have?
How many outlets? Total number 190 outlets we have.
Chennai is the first.
Chennai is the in the south. Chennai is the first one.
What is the uniqueness of other tea shop and what is uniqueness?
The uniqueness is the terracotta cup. We call it Kullad. So Kullad tea is we use Kullad because it is a biodegradable product and it gives the employment to the potters community of India. And as we say, we quote जो भी चाय पिएगा वो हमारे देश की मिट्टी को चूमेगा in the outside market, in the outside Indian market. So that's why we call as.
Any reason for this location you have chosen?
The reason to choose this location is our target audience. The target audience are the students and the corporate individual. In general, everyone is the target audience. But to have tea with the pocket friendly, we have chose this because our target audience is the students. So there are 3 schools and 1 girls hostel nearby. That's why. The starting price is 15 rupees. We kept it 15 because I think the chai is the basic necessity of every individual, and I think it must be affordable to all. So 15 rupees we kept it.
How many
And
varieties you have?
sorry,
How many varieties?
we have 7 varieties as of now: chocolate, adrak, ilaichi, masala, pan, tulsi. Free. This is our ritual. This is not just to attract people. This is the ritual. When we started, we offered every individual, everyone to come and sip and give the honest feedback about the taste and the price. The entire family is working 24/7 from last few days, and they are highly dedicated. Let me tell you, we just need your support, and if you honestly feel that the product is worth it, I request you to make it viral.
Branches
Yeah, so we are, this is the first outlet. We are going to review of the customers, what they are saying. There's always the scope of rectification. So if there is any rectification, we'll do it, and we'll look forward to expand as soon as possible in the entire, not just in this Chennai but the entire Tamil Nadu. Quality assurance is concerned, we never used a single drop of water in it. Pure milk. Not just here in because we are playing in the domestic ground now. Whenever we bats outside India, for example Dubai and Muscat, we are using the premium milk and we are selling for the cheapest in the Gulf also. So it's our ground. So we are going to serve the best quality available. We have employed directly, indirectly 5,000 people, 1,000 directly family, 1,000 family, those who are making this Kullad in their homes, and now they are sending their children to the school. So this is the very important one. And in the ground forces, we have very good qualified employees in our office also from the IITs and IIM. But in the ground forces, we only employ orphans, disabled and very economically sectioned people for the ground force, and they are doing tremendously amazing.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.